I'm gonna start letting people in.
All right, we'll start letting the herd in.
Why does it say join room 1?
No, don't join, Judge. Don't go in there.
I wouldn't think so.
All right, I'm gonna start letting everybody in. Come on, no.
Yeah, but all this shit is getting sexed because
Okay. Yeah, please.
Everybody in?
How long do you believe that you need? Do you agree with it?
Got it? Oh, I am.
No, yeah, just say okay.
Carolyn, we see you. The judge will call the docket in a second. I'll talk for you.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to County Court number 5. Today is September 26th. This month is almost over. I will call the attorneys first. I would ask everybody to mute themselves until I call upon you. That way you don't interfere with the call of the docket, and we can try to get through this pretty quickly. It is a long docket. 89 cases to call. So I appreciate your cooperation. Let's see, Christopher Castro, what's your case number?
Case number is 638917, Judge.
638917, page 2. That is Christopher Culp. Mr. Culp, are you present? Christopher Culp, are you present?
I'll reach out to him again, Judge. I tried calling this morning, but it went straight
He's
to voice.
absent as of now, Mr. Castro. This thing has been reset 10 times. I need you to get with this case.
The Judge.
Can you confer on this?
Yeah, I'd like to confirm. Yes, Judge.
All right, you are listed number 1 to confer. Then we have Milton Butler. Good morning.
Good morning. I have a Joanna Garcia. It is 674035. This case, she's already been accepted for pretrial diversion, so I'm not quite sure why we're here today.
674
035.
035, pretrial diversion. I am not aware of why you would be. Linda, anything?
More than likely because we haven't received the dismissal yet. Do you know when she was accepted, Mr. Butler?
I think it was September the 12th.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, actually, I think that's
We're going to reset this 30 days. Give you time to get this thing completed. Let us know ahead of time if you find out that it's dismissed. All right.
all right. Thank
I'm
you.
present. I'm here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna give you October 24th, just in case we don't get the dismissal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Take care, Milton. Do you have anything else, Milton?
Number 1 should be highlighted in blue.
Okay.
Okay.
Hector, I'm sorry.
yes, sir. I have.
I am about to start the 9
Somebody's got to get muted.
for September 26th, 2022.
565.
Before I do, welcome everyone to presiding court.
Yes.
That is Jessica Paget.
Thank you. Correct.
Ms. Paget, are you present?
And we wanted to take this opportunity to thank you all for
Ms.
making
Paget?
a successful month of September.
Who's talking, Linda?
I don't know. I don't know if it's where Hector's at and somebody's there behind him talking. I can't find anybody.
Okay.
All right. Jessica Paget is absent. Hector,
Yes,
you
sir.
are present. This case has been reset 10 times. We need it disposed of.
Well, Judge, he also has 3 felonies, and those 3 felonies are all set for trial October the 12th.
All right. Linda,
Yes,
set this case for any time after the 12th.
okay, reset. How
As
about,
of-
how about the 14th?
That's fine.
That's fine. Okay, we'll reset it on the 14th of October.
As of
All right,
right
thank
now,
you.
Ms. Paget will have a warrant unless you produce her.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Next attorney. Colin Hobbs.
Morning, Your Honor. I've got Carolyn Gary. She's present in the Zoom court.
Case number.
1 second, Judge. Sorry, I had it up. Sorry, I actually shut down my email, it looks like. So I'm scrolling back to it. That's my head is turned sideways.
Oh, 627-116, Carolyn Gary?
Thank you. Sorry, Linda.
It's okay.
Carolyn Gary. Are you
Yes.
present?
She's
Yes, I
present, Your
am.
Honor.
All right. And Mr. Hobbs, you gonna work on this today?
I'm hoping to confer and I'm hoping to go ahead and release Miss Gary as well. I know
Ms. Gary,
if
you
we
are
come,
excused. Your attorney will be doing some work for you. Stay in communication with him.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Carolyn, I'll call you after court.
Right. Thank you.
Let's
Thank
see. Joanna Garcia, are you an attorney? Joanna Garcia, are you an attorney? Okay, Elizabeth Settle.
In my cursor.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I have 2
My
cases,
cursor ran
Judge.
away somewhere.
The first one is Javier Sanchez. It's cause number 643-528.
643.
528.
Javier Sanchez.
Hello, sir.
Javier, good morning.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
I've asked everybody to be silent until I call the docket for the attorneys. Who's trying to get my attention?
It's Joanna Garcia. I didn't know how to work this. I do apologize. I'm not an attorney. I don't know if I need to get off or not. My attorney was speaking to you just a few minutes ago.
All right, stick around a little bit. We'll go back to you in a minute.
Yes, sir.
Elizabeth Settle.
Yes, Judge, on Javier Sanchez, he's been accepted into the pretrial diversion program. He just signed the agreement. I submitted it over the weekend. So hopefully that should be dismissed shortly.
All right. We'll reset you 2 weeks. If it's accepted, everything goes smooth, just let us know. We won't recall it.
Okay.
October the 10th on that one, Elizabeth.
Okay, thank you. And then I have Judge Brandon Garcia. I believe he's incarcerated. He's got a felony pending. It's been indicted. I believe it's a case.
Case
Oh, I'm
number.
sorry, for Brandon, yes. He's got 2, Judge.
663-155, page 4.
663-155.
And then he's also got another one.
Yes, 684-757.
That's right.
Hmm.
So,
Alright.
yeah, Judge, he's got that felony pending, set for trial. I don't know the date, but it has been indicted.
All right. Linda, let's give them 45 days. See if the dust settles by then.
Okay, is November 1st good for you?
That's fine.
Okay,
Very good.
Okay. Thank you. May we all be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Gary
Thank you.
Warren. Warren Gary.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on 684-792 on page 7.
684-792. That's a no file. It's Juan
That's correct.
Celaya.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Thank you both. Right, today, there's no file. There's a waste of time to do anything or try to do anything. We'll reset this,
Well,
45
Your
days.
Honor, I could still speak with the state on this matter. We were waiting for blood and blood came in last week.
On
So
the
if I
no
could-
file. That's interesting. That's probably the first one I've heard in all my years here where they got the blood back before they had the file. All right, we'll let you confer on that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All righty. Jody Sawyers, good morning.
Hi, good morning, Your Honor. Just one second, I apologize. I'm here on Christopher McNeil, and that's 691630.
691630.
Page 9, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
And I just need to confer to see if they would agree to a PTD on this one.
Is Christopher McNeil present?
He is. I saw him in a chat room. I mean, not like as a participant.
All right. I'll show you conferring then.
And if he could be excused while from court today while I work on the case.
All right, Mr. McNeil, your attorney will be doing some work for you. Stay in communication with her. You got anything else, Ms. Sawyers?
That's it, Your Honor. I'll be back as soon as I finish conferring.
Very good.
Take
Eric
care.
Hernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Page 1, Clinton Molina Marroquin, 559742. I think it's the third one on the docket. You have
559
submitted the PTD documentation.
742.
Yes, sir. Submitted the PTD application. We're just waiting for him to get through orientation and I guess get the dismissal. If I could get the 30-day reset for him.
You got it.
Thank you, Judge. And that's October 2nd, Ms. Flores?
October 24th.
October 24th. Thank you. May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Have a good day, Judge.
You too. Brian Powers.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Roger Villalobos. He's on page 4, case number 671344. He is present. I was hoping I could confer with Kenny this morning and my client could be excused.
Mr. Villalobos.
You're on mute, Roger.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Villalobos, your attorney has asked me to excuse you. You're free for the rest of the day, but stay in communication with Mr. Powers.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Matthew Allen.
Good morning, Judge. I am here on Michael Elliott. Should be on page 2. 645222.
645222. Michael Elliott.
I don't see Mr. Elliott on, but that might, there was some confusion. So the case has actually been referred to magistrate court for a competency hearing, which is going to happen this Wednesday. And then he
All right.
also has a felony pending as well.
He's got 2 felonies pending.
Yes.
All right, we'll reset you. I guess 60 days, Linda.
60 days? Okay.
Yeah, as a competency issue is going to have to be resolved. I don't know how quickly that'll be done.
Okay. November 28th.
Okay. Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
All right, Matthew, you got anything else?
No, Judge, that was all.
All righty, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Neftali Rodriguez.
Good morning, Judge. Here on 631718, it's on page 2. It's the first one.
Very one first.
Yes, Judge. I just need to
reset 13 times. Neftali, you're gonna have to do something with this.
Judge, we have an agreement. My client's just finishing up some classes. If I could just get a brief 3-week or 30-day reset to finish the classes in the
All
case
right,
of
reset 21 days, 3 weeks from today.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Is he here?
He's here in my office, Judge.
Okay.
October the 17th.
Okay. Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
All right. James Hunt.
Morning. I've got Michael Silva on page 9, 691594.
Six nine one. What's the last part?
594.
Yes.
Is Mr. Silva present?
He's in the courtroom, but I would like to confer and ask that he be allowed to be excused.
Mr. Silva, your attorney will be doing some work for you. You are excused at this time, but stay in communication with Mr. Hunt. You got it? I presume he's there somewhere. You said in the courtroom?
He's in the courtroom somewhere.
Ms. Grabowski?
Yes, sir. Can you hear us?
Yes, I hear you now.
Okay.
Mr. Silva is excused. Tell him to stay in communication with his attorney.
Yes, sir.
James, you got anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
All right. Then you're going to confer?
Yes.
I have scheduled you to confer. Albert Van Cleve.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm appearing for my son. His name is Albert. I mean, Gregory Van Cleve. We have 646106 Christopher Morrow. And I don't know anything about the case at all. So I'm kind of asking that you reset it.
646106.
106.
106. Christopher Morrow.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here today.
Very good. And Mr. Van Cleve, you made the appearance for your son. Just remind your son this case has been reset 9 times. I need it to move along.
Yes, Your Honor.
Otherwise, since you're not familiar with the case and stuff, we'll just reset you 28 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
4 weeks from today. Linda?
I'm gonna give him 4 weeks from today. I'm gonna give him October 21st.
All right, sir. Anything else, Mr. Van Cleve?
That's all I have, Your Honor. Thank you.
Actually, there is another case.
Oh.
687396, Andy Rodriguez. It's on page 7, Judge.
Right. 687396. Andy Rodriguez. Andy Rodriguez. So that's a PTD. Recall that 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay.
Yeah, we're going to recall this 2 weeks, Mr. Van Cleve.
Your Honor, could you put them on the same day, you think, possibly? It would be,
Well, that might make sense.
Yeah.
Okay, October 21st for both of them.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm a bit confused on how I'm supposed to take care of my court on October 21st. Do I just come back that day and I'm gonna have my lawyer here?
You come back, stay in touch with your lawyer. If he tells you different, that's fine, because things might change.
Okay, so I'm free to leave?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, Mr. Van Cleve, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Celine Beck.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on 669791, and there's another
You
case.
broke up on me a little bit. 669 what?
669791 and 669792. I'm substituting in on this case, so you should have a motion to sub also on this case. And I do need to confer with the state. We were recently rejected from the
This is
PTD.
a PTD, right?
Yes, it was. We were rejected, so I need to confer with the state on that, Judge.
Is Patrick Wilbank present?
He should be. My office spoke with him this morning.
I am. All right. And what did you want to do, ma'am?
I need to confer with the state on it, Judge.
Celine? Is it Celine or Selene?
Selene.
Okay, I'll show you conferring then.
Thank you, Judge.
Anything else? Anything else, Ms. Beck?
No, sir, that's the only thing she had.
All right. Jonathan Ross.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'm here on Mr. David Rogers. He's the top of page 9. It's 691581, and he's present.
691-581.
Yes, sir.
David Rogers. David Rogers.
Mr. Rogers, if you could unmute and speak up. Just
Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me?
All right, got you.
All right.
And you're going to confer on this, Mr. Ross?
I will be happy to touch base on this, Your Honor. Just out of full disclosure, this is the same incident as ABI case out of County Court 7, which is one digit lower than this. So I don't know if you want to transfer that to the.
We'll look into that. Meantime, we'll
yes,
let you
sir.
confer.
Thank you. Will do.
You're welcome. Christopher Costello, recall.
Yes, Judge, I confirmed the state, they're gonna look into the, didn't have access to the full criminal history to see if there's anything that would disqualify him from
You want to
PT.
give me that case again, case number?
I apologize,
I've only
Judge.
got 89.
638-917. And Judge, I know it's been reset 10 times, but I've only been appointed to this case since May. I believe I'm the first attorney who's been appointed to it.
That's interesting. This damn thing has been reset 10 times according to the docket. And he didn't show up today.
Understood, Judge. I'll continue to reach out to him throughout the morning to see if I can get him to log in.
All right. I suggest you do that, otherwise he will have a warrant for his arrest.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Isidro Montoya.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on 678-574 on page 5, Mr. Lawton. I don't believe there's no file yet.
That is correct. That reset you 45 days.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused, Judge?
You are excused, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's see, Jesus Gomez.
November 1st, Isidro.
Thank you, Ms. Flores.
Jesus Gomez. Okay, Colin Hobbs.
Judge Kenny and I conferred on Carolyn Gary. It's page 1627116.
Yes, sir.
It seems as though he's going to review some evidence I sent him, but he says he believes that he's going to be making a new offer, and he'll hopefully get that to me within the next couple of days, I think is the timeline he was talking about. But if we can get a reset, hopefully we have a new offer. I'll be able to take that to my client.
How about recall in 2 weeks? Find out what the offer is.
What date we looking at, Judge?
October the 10th.
I should be able to do that. Since we're just keeping track of what the new offer might be, can my client be proactively excused or preemptively
Yes, sir.
excused? Thank
Mr.
you, Judge.
Gary, you're excused.
See, I meant for the
Ms.
10th. I meant for the 10th, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I meant for the 10th. You already excused her earlier. Is she
Okay.
excused for the 10th since we're just coming back for an update on the offer? I know your current system is that they come in the afternoons if they're doing a plea, is my only thing.
Yeah, and actually, we're going back to in-person.
Oh, okay.
So we could do the plea that day if you all accept it.
Okay. I'll just let her know to be there on the 10th as well. So
All right, then you're excused.
thank you. Y'all have a good week.
Jaime Cavazos.
Morning, Judge. I'm here on John Costello, 673377. I had previously conferred with Kenny on this case, and I owe him some course certificates that I just got yesterday. So I would like to see if we could reset this to give he and I time to review those, and we can work out an offer.
How much time we talking about? 2 weeks?
I'm going to be in trial in Atascosa starting October 17th. That's going to take me at least 4 days to try. If we could do it maybe the first part of November. And if I can get it done sooner, I'll let Linda know.
I won't hold my breath, Mr. Cavazos.
I'm trying to get rid of these cases too, Judge.
All right. Linda, give us a date.
November 1st.
Let me double check that.
And is John Costello present?
Yes, he is. I have
All
a
right.
I have a I have a federal sentencing on that day. Could we do the 2nd?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, November 2nd. Can we
Yes.
be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir. Unless
Thank
they
you.
lock you up on your federal sentencing.
I hope not.
Warren
care.
Gary, your excuse, sir. Warren Gary?
Yes, Your Honor. I spoke with the state on 684-792-1 Celia, page 7. Celaya, I'm sorry. The prosecutor is going to review for rejection on that case. So hopefully by the next setting, we won't be here for it. So.
All right, we set 30 days, Linda.
30 days. Okay. October 24th.
October 24th. Thank you. Thank you both. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Sawyers.
Yes, Your Honor. I am just needing a reset on Christopher McNeil. We'll be applying to the PTD program.
Which was your case, please?
691630.
691-630.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's on page 9.
Yes, sir.
Then what was your announcement?
We need a reset. He's applying to the pretrial diversion. He was just cleared to apply.
All right. How much time we need, Linda?
How about 30 days?
I would say it takes about 2 months for us to hear back. So I would ask for a 60-day just because in my experience, it's taking longer.
All right, let's give her 60 days.
Okay, November 28th.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
May I be excused? Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Have a great day, Your Honor. Bye-bye.
You too. Brian Powers.
Judge, this is in regards to Roger Villalobos, page 4, case number 671-344. The state's going to be tendering a dismissal on that.
What's the case number?
671-344.
Yes, down at the bottom. Be dismissed. Come on, folks. Mute yourselves unless I call you. All right, Mr. Powers, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
James Hunt, recalling.
Yes, on Michael Silva, 691-594. That will be a conditional dismissal. I anticipate the dismissal should be in within a couple of weeks.
I keep my video turned off. Like
691-594, conditional dismissal. All right, very good. Is that all you have, James?
Yes, did you want to reset it to sure it gets dismissed or?
October 24th, we'll give it 30 days. Hopefully it'll be dismissed.
Perfect, thank you.
All righty. Veronica Legareta.
Hi, Judge. I'm in court.
All right.
I'm here for
Congratulations.
Brandy Glines.
Case number.
678-909, page 5.
You guys make it very easy for me when you give me the page number like that. 678-909.
Yes, sir. Page 5.
Brandy Glines. Miss Glines, are you present?
I am.
Good morning, Miss Glines.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Ms. Legareta,
Judge, we need a trial setting, please.
you got it. Sadly, you might have to try it with a new judge, but we'll see how that turns out. Take
Yes,
care.
Judge. Thank you, Judge.
Veronica, 1021.
Okay, thank you. May we be excused, Judge?
Yes, you are excused. Thank you for
Thank
being
you.
here on time.
Thank you.
Anthony Cantrell. You're muted.
Good morning,
sir.
Judge.
Good morning.
I have Jacqueline Jolynn Vasquez, and her cause number is 663-326.
Actually, Judge, page 1, 629-138.
629-138.
Yes.
Somebody needs to get muted, folks.
I have it as 663-326, but
That's the other one, 663-326, and then we have 629-138. Is
yes, sir.
Mr. Vasquez?
She should be on, Your Honor. I'd like to have a
Yeah,
live
I'm here.
hearing on that, so
She
if we
is
can just get
present. I
a
hear her.
reset to
Reset what?
if we can get a 2 or 3 week reset for live hearing and do all the
right, 3
paperwork we need to
weeks.
do.
3 weeks.
All right.
You got anything else, Anthony?
What type of hearing is that going to be, Judge, so that we can prepare?
No, it's going to be a plea. I just
Okay,
want it
so
to be.
it's not a hearing, it's a plea. Okay. it'll
That's
be a
correct.
plea.
October 17th, Anthony.
Let's see.
Anything else, Anthony?
No, Your Honor. Just trying to see if October 17th is going to be good. Sorry, let's see. October 17th is a really bad day. I have a couple of trials already set on that date.
Linda?
18th.
Well, if I'm trial on the 17th,
Okay,
that week is
so
probably not that good.
The 24th.
Okay, thank you.
You're
October
welcome.
24th. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, Anthony. Take care.
Bye.
Monica Kerala.
I'm here on Reese Alfaro, page 3, last entry, cause number 662490.
Reese Alfaro.
Yes, sir. So we had a PTD agreement. My client's gone 3 times to try to submit it. Apparently the DA has not signed it, and so we're having to get this redone. So if I can get a reset, I need to confer with either Mr. Yanta or Mr. Delco, whoever's available.
Contact Beatrice Chavez so they can send a new agreement and re-sign it, because that comes from them. We don't have an ability, but I'll be more than happy to confer with you on it.
Okay, I emailed our agreement already to Yanta, but if there's going to be a new one forthcoming, we'll just redo the whole thing all over again.
All right. Reset. How much time, Linda?
Do you want 45 days on that, Monica?
Sure, we'll try to get it done as quickly as possible. I think I
Yeah,
heard
I'll try and reach out to Beatrice as well to see what's going on.
November 1st, Monica. Monica, can you also give me a call later? I have
Yes.
cases I'd like to go over with you.
Sure, November 1st, that's fine. And you want me going into room 9? Is that what you're asking me to do?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good deal. Thank you,
All right.
Judge. May we be
You're
excused?
welcome, ma'am. You're excused. Michael White.
Yes, Your Honor. I have the case of Eric Salazar, and he has 2 cases in your court, unlawful carrying and trespass. And
How about a case number?
case number is 653150, or no, 152. 653152. That's one, yeah.
Judge 647-800 on page 2, the bottom of page 2.
Gotcha.
That's right.
Okay, those are the case numbers, including 653-152. All right, Mr. White.
He has a
That's gonna be
felony
sick.
pending, but also I don't have any offers on that yet, so I would need to talk to a prosecutor to get offers on those 2 cases.
Okay, my docket says this thing's been reset 11 times, so let's get it moving. If it's got a felony pending, let's see what we're gonna do with that. Is Eric Salazar present? Eric Salazar.
I just talked to him this morning. He was going to get on.
Well, you better get him on, because right now.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
There
Are you
he
here?
is.
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. White, are you gonna confer on this some?
Yes, I'd like to get an offer on the 2 of them.
All right. I'll show you conferring, sir.
All right. So room 10.
Linda.
Yes, yes, sir.
All right, Celine Beck.
All right.
Second round, Celine Beck.
Yes, Judge. I spoke with the ADA. We've got a new offer. I just need a little time to go over it with my client. Like I said, I'm just coming onto the case. So I can get an idea of what we're gonna do with this. Okay, Judge?
Ms. Beck, please give me the case number. Aye, now you froze us.
69791, page
That's it.
4.
669.
Sorry, Judge. My computer froze for a second there.
All right, Linda, say again.
669-791.
That's on page 4.
Yes, Judge.
All right, and what are we doing there?
State just gave us a new offer on it, so I just need a little time to relay that to my client so we can make a formal decision what we're gonna do. So Kenny and I are talking, we're looking for a 30-day reset on this one, Judge.
Make it so, Linda.
October the 24th.
I have a trial that day.
Okay, how about the 21st?
That's a great day. I can do that.
Okay, Miss Beck, John also has Crystal Martinez, 687-534 on the docket. It, of course, she's in custody and she has a felony pending.
Okay, let me see what's going on with that one because he did not tell me about that one. What was the name? I'm sorry.
That's what you call blindsided.
Crystal Martinez is the
Yes,
defendant.
sorry, Crystal Martinez.
I do not see that one. I know he's driving between counties right now. Can you give me just a minute? I'll come right back on that one.
Sure.
All right.
Thank you.
Jesus Gomez, are you back now?
I'm back, Judge. I'm here on Fabian Rodriguez, 671-825. I do not have a page number. Apologize.
I'll find it.
Page 4, Judge, bottom of page 4.
If I can confer with probation, that would be great.
Okay.
671-825. Is Fabian Rodriguez present?
I believe he is.
I'm present, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Gomez, you are listed to confer.
Thank you.
Jonathan Ross.
Yes, Your Honor. I touch base on Mr. David Rogers. It's top of page 9, 691-581. And Ms. Flores, I just chatted you a request. We probably need to transfer that to County Court 7 with his older case.
Okay, I'll see if I can. Normally, if it's not a family violence case, I can't send it, but I'll see.
It's with the same incident. If not, that's
If not, maybe I can get them to transfer theirs, but I'll find out.
all righty. May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What are we doing a 30-day reset or what are we doing on this?
If we're not able to transfer, I guess,
Well,
yes.
let's recall this in 2 weeks to find out if we can transfer it or not.
Okay.
And then we can try and resolve it as far as what we're going to do.
Okay, 10-10.
10-10. Thanks. Sounds good, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Take care. David Rogers.
Yes, sir.
Are you an attorney?
Yeah, my attorney just logged off, sir. Mr. Ross.
What's your client's case number?
No, he's Jonathan Ross's client. Mr. Rogers, your case has been reset to October 10th.
October 10th.
By then we will be in person. We will need you to appear here at the court on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
10th at 9 a.m. for docket call.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Pat Montgomery.
Hello, Judge. I have 3 cases on your docket. I'll start with page 6. Suffice it to say, all 3 of them I'll need to talk to the prosecutor. But if you'd like to know what's going on, Roberto Bernal on page 6. He's present in person in the courtroom.
All right, sir.
Marvina Minor, page 7. She's on your screen. It's been previously reset for the state to contact their complaining witness. I don't know if they've succeeded or not. And she's on page 7, present in the courtroom. And then we have Marco Villegas.
Hold on.
Sorry. We know you're there, Marvina.
Hello. Mr. Montgomery. What's the
Yes,
case
sir.
number? we're
Sorry.
dealing with?
Starting from the one on page 6 or the one on
I already
page
got
7?
that one.
Page
Okay, the one
7.
on page 7 is 685-755.
All right, and that's Ms. Marvina Minor.
Minor. Yeah, she was the one talking, Judge. She wanted to make
Right.
sure you knew she was here.
I see her on here. All right, very good.
And then finally, the last one, he's also present in person in the courtroom. He's on page 8. His name is Marco Villegas Tapia.
All right, good morning to you. He said, I show him at PTD.
That's correct, Your Honor. He wanted to come downtown and hand file it. We've been texting back and forth, but I don't know if it's technology or what, but I told him I'd meet him there and we could hand file it. 687-947.
We'll reset that on 30 days, see what happened between now and then.
All right. I just don't want him to leave because we did that once before. So he says he wants to hand file it. We're going to get that done this morning, Judge.
All right.
But
Okay.
if I could go into a
Anything
breakout
else?
room, I'll just wait for a breakout so that I could talk to the prosecutor about Marvina's case because we reset it in the past for them to contact their complaining witness. And I do not know that they have done so.
All right,
There's my invite. See you, Judge.
take care. Attorneys, any other attorney need to contact me? Let's see,
Carolyn-
Michael Zamora.
Good morning, Judge. This is Carolyn Wetland. I can just go with the prosecutors.
Carolyn Wentland, case
Yes.
number.
I have 621-709 Crystal Tehran on page 1, Judge.
621.
709.
Ooh, Ms. Wentland, you're gonna have to dispose of this case.
I hear ya. I will talk to the prosecutors and we will see where we get to.
You have another one.
What's the other one I have, Linda?
Christopher, is it Pug? P-U-G-A?
Oh, Pew. He has a felony.
Hold on, everybody, hold on.
654.
Crystal Tehran, are you present?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Okay, I see you. All right, now, second one, Linda.
Page 3, 654-860.
I'm not sure if he's on here, Linda. I don't think I sent him the link because he has a felony pending with these same cases out of the 187. If you need me to get him on here, I can, or if you want to just recall him for the day of the felony. I think the felony, or actually he's out of the 399 and the felony is reset until October 11th.
Christopher Pugh.
Yeah, I don't believe he's on here, Judge, because I don't think I gave him the link. But I can get him if you need him.
Have him check in with us, Ms. Wentland.
I will. But Linda, that the felony, which is connected, is October 11th and the 399th. We can just come in that day as well.
Okay, you want to do it on the 11th when he,
Just after his felony would be perfect.
okay.
Because we have to be there in person. But I'll get him to check in too, Judge.
All right,
Okay, I'll put you in a breakout room.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Ms. Beck, are you still needing to talk to me? Selena Beck. Okay. Mike
I am, Your
Zamora.
Honor. Yes, I'm here on a Janie Solis. It's a theft by check. I'm getting ready to start a trial in County Court 1. I was going to see if I could just get a reset on this matter. He is in the courtroom as
How
well.
about giving me a case number, Michael?
The case number is 459872.
459872. Linda, no, Mr. Solis, is it?
It's
or
Janie. It's a lady.
Yeah, Janie Solis. Ms. Solis, are you present?
Could you stand up? She's in the courtroom, Your Honor.
All right, very good. And reset 30 days.
Okay, I guess they'll give me notice of the new setting.
1024, and I will email it to you.
Okay, thank you.
You're
May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, you are.
Thanks.
Attorneys, who else we got? Any more attorneys?
Jesus,
I'm back. I believe Kenny wanted to confer with me, but they are gonna terminate his probation satisfactorily. They're going to submit the paperwork. But I believe Kenny wanted to confirm.
Jesus, give me your case number again.
671-825. I believe it was page 4.
Yes, bottom of page 4.
Okay, so that's going to be reset.
October 24th.
Oh, we're just terminating it.
Correct.
Okay, term set.
Yes.
Get the papers to us, Linda, or Mr.
I'll get
Ramos.
it done, Judge.
All right,
And if I can,
Ms.
if I
Luna.
can confer with Kenny, that would be great as well.
Okay.
All right. So it shall be. Any attorneys need to talk to me? Attorneys? No more attorneys. All right. Then I'm gonna
Your
call
Honor.
the regular. Hello,
I'm sorry, my name is Rael Garcia. My attorney, her name is
are
Miss
you an
Green.
attorney?
No, but she said she was
I'm
gonna
asking
withdraw
for
from my
attorneys.
case.
I'm asking for attorneys to
Okay.
respond.
I'm sorry.
Any more attorneys? Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call the regular docket for those that their attorney has not showed up. Roel, you were very concerned. Who's your attorney?
Miss Green, Karen Green. And I've been having
Kelly-
issues.
Kelly
She's-
Green?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which one is that? Linda? Do you know the case number, Mr.?
Page 3, Judge,
Uh-huh.
658592.
Okay, Roel Garcia. Have we heard from Miss Green?
Yes, she said she was gonna be late, Judge.
All right, Ms. Green will show up after a while, Mr. Garcia. Stick around.
All right.
Okay. Then I will continue to call the regular docket. 609-616, Joe Rubio, attorney. Robert Moore.
Mr. Mauer's gonna be late.
All right. He always contacts us. He's probably the only attorney that does those religiously. 609-616, Joe Rubio, are you present? Joe Rubio. Absent. Going on to page 2. 636802, State versus Daniel Van Duzer, attorney, Melissa Christian. Have we heard from Judge Christian?
No, sir.
No response from the judge. Daniel Van Duzer.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Van Duzer.
Morning.
You might try to contact your attorney, find out where she is and whether she's going to decide to show up. 639-3 for the meantime, stick around. 639-343, State versus Larry Herrera, attorney. Abelardo Garza.
Mr. Garza will be late, Judge.
Okay. And Larry Herrera. Absent.
Yes.
644-721, State versus Raimundo Torres, attorney Luis Martinez. Any word from Luis Martinez?
No, sir.
Okay, marking him no response. Raimundo Torres.
Right here, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Torres.
Good morning.
Contact your attorney, find out where he's at.
Okay, thank you.
Next page, 648-158, State versus Mark Cordero, attorney. Ross Rodriguez. Didn't he answer?
Present,
another
Judge.
case? Good morning, Mr. Cordero.
No.
Good morning.
Ross Rodriguez, attorney, any contact?
No contact, Judge.
Linda?
No, Judge.
Mark him no response.
Okay.
Mr. Cordero, try and contact your lawyer. Don't leave without me letting you know. 648-181, State versus Rhiannon Everett, or Rhiannon Everett, attorney, Leo Gonzalez.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Are you in touch with Leo Gonzalez?
I tried calling this morning and I was unable to get a hold of him.
All right, well, stick around. You might try to continue to reach him.
Okay.
We'll come back through after a while and see whether we should release you or what we're gonna do.
Yes,
No
sir.
word from him, Linda?
No, sir, no word.
All right. 649-553 State versus Ryan. Also Brooks.
Judge, that's gonna be a motion to suppress, and Tim and Kenny talked this morning, and it's gonna get reset.
Well, wait a minute. Now, it is listed as MTS, but today at 1:30.
Yes,
But what's going on?
Tim talked with Delco this morning before we logged on,
Okay. All
and
right,
it's gonna get reset.
okay. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
654-597 State versus Michael Robbins. Attorney Dante Rodriguez. Any word from Dante?
Daniel Rodriguez.
Pardon me, Daniel.
No response, Judge.
Jeff Robbins is here.
Good morning, Mr. Robbins.
Good morning.
Try to get a hold of your attorney and stick with us. while
Yes,
you
sir.
do that. Let's see, next page. Page 4. 662-872. State versus Jesse Palacios, attorney Brenda Levenstein.
Miss Levinstein will be late.
Jesse Palacios. Jesse Palacios is marked absent. 664-344. State versus Jorge Patiño, attorney James Mayra. Any word from Mr. Mayra?
Not today, sir.
All right. I want you to get a hold of Brooke Bauman.
Okay,
We're going to start a procedure of show cause for contempt. Mr.
Jorge
Mayra.
Patino's here, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Patino.
Always, sir.
Mr. Mayra makes it a point not to ever show up in this court. We're going to contempt him for that. You hear?
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Patino, you're excused. We're going to reset you 28 days.
28.
That's gonna be October the 17th.
Okay.
Okay,
Right.
we will be back in person, Mr. Patino, so you'll have to be here in person.
665-461 State versus Raquel Passmore, attorney Sean Brown.
Brian Oreo has texted me, he's gonna be late.
All right, thank you, ma'am. And Raquel Passmore,
No
absent.
response.
On to page 5. 676-389 State versus Jorge Aguilar, attorney Jay Norton.
Gary Hillier will be here on Mr. Norton's behalf, and he's gonna be late.
Okay. And the client, Jorge Aguilar.
No
Mark.
response, Judge.
Present, Judge.
Oh, there he is.
Good morning, Mr. Aguilar.
Good morning.
All right, stick around. Mr. Hillier is going to pinch hit for Mr. Norton this morning.
Yes, sir.
678-134 State versus Rogelio Contreras, attorney Neil Kalfas.
Sir.
Pardon me? Rogelio Contreras, are you present?
Yes, sir. I'm right here.
Rogelio Contreras?
Yes, sir,
Yes.
he's present.
All right, Neil Kalfas.
No response, Judge, and I haven't gotten an email or text from their
Thank you. 678-574 State versus Daquan Lawton, attorney Isidro Montoya Jr.
That's been reset already, Judge, with Isidro.
Oh, you're correct. Sorry about that. Then we have page 6. 82019 State versus Ubaldo Peña, And that's Catherine Valenzuela. Ubaldo, pardon me, Peña. Ubaldo Peña's absent. Catherine Valenzuela, any word
Haven't
from her?
heard from her. No, Judge.
Ms. Grabowski, were you saying something?
Ms. Grabowski's not in today, Judge.
Okay, who's here?
I don't know who the deputy who's here, but I know it's a lady. I just don't know her name.
Okay. 6833. 683370. State versus Carla Calderon, attorney, Mary Peterzak. Anything on Mary Peterzak?
Judge,
sir.
I believe I saw her in the courtroom earlier, but she may have stepped out. I think she was wearing a blue dress today.
Okay, well, there's no file, so we'll just recall it. 28 days, Linda.
Okay, Judge, got it.
683440, state versus
Carl.
Carl. Okay,
Jensen.
Carl Roydan Jensen. And the
Yes,
attorney is
present.
Neil Kalfas.
He's present with counsel, Your Honor. This is Jonathan Chavez.
Are you here on the Neil Kalfas cases?
I'm here on this, the Mr. Jensen case, Carl Jensen.
Okay, and you said he's present, right?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, I'm present, Your Honor.
There was another Neil Kalfas case we called. There was no
Yeah,
response.
Rogelio Contreras.
Right. I'm no longer with his firm, but I can get a hold of their firm and let them know that Mr. Contreras is here.
All right. What are you doing on this one?
Can't hear you, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry, Your Honor. Mr. Jensen has been accepted into pretrial diversion. The paperwork has been signed, so we're just waiting on that.
All right. So Linda, about 30 days.
30 days, okay. 10/24, Jonathan.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
683491. State versus Joshua Barrera, attorney, Jonathan Maxwell, Watkins. Anything from Watkins?
No, sir.
No response on Watkins. Joshua Barrera. Joshua Barrera, third time, absent. On page 7. 683495, State versus Pedro Ochoa, attorney, Daniel Vela.
I'm here, Your Honor. Good morning. Let me turn on my camera. There I am.
Alrighty. Have we
Your
heard
Honor.
from Pedro Ochoa?
He's here. It says Pedro's iPhone. I see him there. He's wearing a maroon shirt and glasses.
He's right next to you on my screen, so. All right, and what are you doing on this?
Your Honor, I conferred on this last setting. I just need to see if the prosecutors contacted some people on it and if I could put on your conferring stack.
All right, we're gonna recall you in 2 weeks after you confer. Give them a date, Linda.
Okay, 2 weeks. That would be October the 10th.
You got it?
Got it, Your Honor.
683912, State versus Cristobal Ramirez. And attorney is Fernando Ramos.
Presente, pues.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Are you Fernando Ramos? Oh, Cristobal Ramos, Ramirez, I'm sorry.
Sí, Cristóbal Ramírez.
Ok. ¿Se ha comunicado con su abogado?
Sí, le estuve marcando, pero no me contestó desde ayer.
Okay. Linda, have you heard from Fernando?
No, sir, I haven't.
Okay. Señor Ramírez, haga lo posible para comunicarse con su abogado, pero no se vaya solo que yo le dé su libertad. ¿Está bien?
Ok, está bien, gracias.
685-208, State versus Rudy Vela. Attorney Brian Kimbrough. Brian Kimbrough,
No response, Judge.
and Rudy Vela, absent. Jeff Robbins, are you an attorney or a defendant?
Defendant,
Okay.
Alan Brown.
We'll call you shortly.
Yes, sir.
685-371, State versus Veronica McKay. Attorney Bob Hicks.
Mr. Hicks was on, he must have logged off.
All right.
He was on though.
Veronica McKay.
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, stick around, get a hold of your attorney, let him know we're looking for him.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. 685532, State versus Deepak Kunavarapu.
Yes, sir. Judge, I'm here.
Good morning.
Morning.
Gary Hillier.
He is gonna be late, Judge.
Stick around, Mr. Kunavarapu.
Thank you. Thank you.
686-730, State versus Brandon Juarez. Attorney Edward Bartolome. Any word from Edward?
No, sir.
And Brandon Juarez? Brandon Juarez, 3 times. You're late or absent. On to page 8. Six, 8, 7, 4, 1, 5, State versus Peter and Antoine. Attorney Randall Greiner.
Judge, he should be present. I've communicated with him last night and this morning. I just need to confer with the prosecutor.
I'm here.
I'll schedule you for conferring. Peter Antoine.
He's here, Judge.
I'm here.
All right, very good. Then I'm showing you to confer, sir. 687-641, State versus Felix Garcia. Attorney Matthew Finch.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Which one is?
The defendant,
Okay.
Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Garcia.
Good morning, sir.
And have we heard from Matthew Finch?
No, I tried to contact him yesterday and 2 days prior to today, and I didn't get no answer or nothing, so I can try to get him to contact.
All right, keep trying. Stick around, don't leave. On the page.
All right, yes, sir.
On to page 9. 691-646, Alejandro De Leon. Attorney Gail Calderola. Any word from Gail?
No, sir.
And Alejandro De Leon, it's a no file, so we really can't take action. Alejandro De Leon, are you present? Está presente Alejandro De Leon. All right, we'll show him absent, but it can't do anything.
Okay.
691-664, State versus Jorge Rodriguez. No attorney.
Present.
Good morning, Mr. Rodriguez. Have you hired an attorney?
No, I have not. Psychiatric inpatient.
I don't hear you.
I said, no, I have not, Your Honor.
While waiting competency eval.
Are you going to hire an attorney or are you able to hire one?
I am not able to hire a public defendant, but I do want to square this away today.
He's got 2 misdemeanors.
All right.
You can just give me one of them.
I'll mark you to confer with the state. I don't recommend it, but that's your call. 691-666, State versus Roberto or Robert de Almeida Quintero.
91775.
Robert de Almeida Quintero.
Okay.
Attorney Alma Benavides.
She'll be late, Judge.
Buenos días, mi inglés es muy lento.
No hay cuidado, yo entiendo y hablo el español. La señora,
Buenos días.
¿qué es su apellido?
De Almeida Quintero.
Ok. La computadora junta los dos nombres y es poco difícil, pero ya sé qué es. De Almeida Quintero.
Robert Alexander.
¿Se ha comunicado con la señorita Alma Benavides?
Sí.
Muy bien. De espera, ya se comunicó, ya sabe que estás aquí.
Ok, muchas gracias.
De nada. 691-687. State versus Julius Benton, no attorney. Julius Benton.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You don't have an attorney. Are you going to hire one?
No, I can't afford one at this time.
All right. You're going to need to apply for a court appointed. Ms. Flores will meet you shortly out in the courtroom, or we'll get you started in the application process. If you're going to try and get an attorney by appointment by the court, you'll need to fill out an application, swear to the information in there. Be careful because you can get yourself in some serious trouble if you don't give us 100% of the truth. All right, that's the docket call now. Linda, check with Mr. Robbins. Linda,
Yes, sir.
check with Jeff Robbins. He thought he was supposed to be here. I didn't see his name.
Okay, let me check. Let me check.
Mr. Robbins also is a aficionado of good art prints. That buck behind you, that's Gilbert Duran, right? Mr. Robbins?
Sir?
Mr. Robbins, that buck behind you was done by Gilbert Duran?
Yes, it was. Yes, sir. Yes, it was. Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see, give Ms. Flores your date of birth.
January 2nd, 1969.
You got that, Linda?
Yes.
Where is he?
January 2nd, 1969.
Daniel Rodriguez, I believe is.
Daniel Rodriguez is your attorney?
In the office of Alan Brown.
Okay, so you're Michael Robbins.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Judge, he's on page 3. 654-597.
How come we have an echo?
Don't know. No. Mr. White, how can we help you?
No, what's this case number? 597 at the end?
Yes, 654-597 on page 3.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
And there was no response from Daniel Rodriguez?
No.
Mr. Robbins, do what you can to try and track him down. Meantime, don't leave until I authorize you to do so.
Okay.
All right.
Sir.
Okay. Anybody else that thought name should have been called and didn't hear it called or got
Your
in?
Honor, Christopher Pugh.
Oh,
Okay.
Judge, that's my client, Judge. I had him log in, Mr. Pugh. So he's here. He has a felony pending in the 399th. It's set for October 11th. So I don't know if Linda can give me either that day or even further out.
Which one is that one?
It's on page 3, Judge, 654-860.
Your Honor, this is Anthony Wilson. Also, I haven't heard my attorney. It's Tim Roundtree.
Did we lose the judge, Linda?
I don't know. That's what I'm like looking at right now. I was like, where did it go?
He was looking for my case and then it was like he froze.
Rose. Okay, then yeah, hopefully we'll get him back in a minute.
So on Pew, that's the status on Pew, and on Tehran, Kenny and I conferred. That was one that was actually set for a motion to suppress, and I think the court had a conflict or something, and it needs to be back for a motion to suppress.
Motion to suppress. Okay.
Yeah. And not, please, I am gone the week of October 20th. So like I'm gone like that week and then the beginning of the next week. I think my vacation letter's in for felony, but just to make sure, you know,
Okay.
for that date.
Can I call you?
Yes. Yeah.
On that one. And
Call me
then,
or text me.
And then on Christopher, did you want to do the 11th?
You know, you can do the 11th, you can come over, but honestly, nothing's going to resolve. So if you want to give them 60, that'd be perfect.
Linda, yeah, it's probably best to do 60 because I'll be out October 9th through the 15th. So
okay,
so actually everything may have to be reset for that week because I'm going back to Florida to make sure that everything with the hurricane works out fine.
okay, but we'll still have virtual though, right?
I don't know. I'd prefer Virgil to not be alone, so I can see if I can get a fill in.
Okay, so for Christopher, November 28th.
Perfect. If I get a choice of DAs, I'm gonna pick Kenny too.
Breaking my heart, Carolyn. Linda, this.
I love you, Virgil. I love you.
God bless you.
On Crystal, I'll call you and we can set the motion to suppress.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Thanks, you guys. Have a good day. My people can log off.
Thank you. Linda, this is
Linda,
Mike
can I
White.
speak to you?
Linda,
Yes.
this is Mike White. I've already conferred and we've agreed that we should hold off on any offers until the felony is heard. So could I get a reset?
Case number is
It's
Okay,
647-800, page 2, Judge.
there we go. All right. How much time for reset? About 6 days because of the thing.
It's got a felony pending, Judge.
I know, that's why I agreed to reset, right?
Yeah. The other one is 653-152. It's 2 cases.
Yes. And the felony. He's gonna keep you busy.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
All right, 60-day reset.
November 28th. Mr. White,
Oh, fine. Thanks very much.
you're welcome.
Excuse your honor.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, Honor.
Your Honor, my name is Anthony Wilson. I don't know if I'm in the right courtroom or what. I'm not sure. My judge sent me this link this morning and his name is Tim Roundtree. I was in
Yeah.
Division 12, but I haven't seen him on
What is your date of birth, Mr. Wilson?
11/28/76.
That's one of Tim's clients, Linda.
You know, I don't have him on the phone.
I swear I'm about to in here.
11/28/76, you said?
Yes, ma'am.
I've got boots older than that, young fella. That's joyful for you, sad for me.
Oh, you're in County Court 12, sir.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. I know I'm in 12. I thought that maybe maybe the judge was out or something. I'm not sure what's going on.
No, you have to log in for County Court 12. You need to call them and ask them what their meeting ID and password is.
Okay, what is your number?
335-2570, I believe.
Okay, would you mind please letting them know that I've been in this courtroom so that I don't have a failure to appear or something?
Sure, just let the coordinator know they can call me.
What courtroom is this?
5.
Hey, Linda.
Okay, thank you.
Linda, I've got it down as 2750.
2750, right? Oh, I'm sorry, 2750. Right.
2750.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
This is Felix. I've been trying to get in contact with Matthew Finch. He hasn't been answering.
You're trying to get in contact with whom?
With my attorney Matthew Finch. My case number 687-641.
All right.
But I haven't got no response from him.
All right. Keep trying.
Keep trying?
Yes, sir.
All right, yes, sir.
We'll be making a sweep of the docket after a while. And I will be taking action for some of the folks that are not responding.
Excuse me, sir?
I'll be taking action after a while after make another sweep. More names.
Oh, okay, so you go over everything?
Judge Forrest Good on behalf of Mary Petersak just logged into the room.
You're fading on Kenny.
Yes, sir. Forrest Good is logging in now for Mary Petersak.
Is now 7. Judge, this is Bob Behrens. Do you have a moment?
Yes, sir.
Judge, I'm here for Kelly. She had sent Linda an email this morning about 8:25 to let her know she had a trial setting in 15 and then a plea setting in 399. Her client is Roel Garcia, 658592.
Page 3, Judge.
She submitted a motion to withdraw in that case. I don't know if you want to talk privately about that or.
Roy Garcia is present.
I'm right here, sir.
Mr. Garcia,
Yes, sir.
Ms. Green wants to withdraw as your attorney. She
Yeah,
doesn't
that's what I
want
was
to-
getting ready to tell. When I asked you earlier, I was telling you that. Yeah, she wasn't. Like I said, I wasn't satisfied with her for the last two court sessions we had. She sent me all. She texted me.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you have any objection to her withdrawing as your attorney?
I couldn't hear you, sir. Broke up.
Do you have any objection to her being removed as your attorney or removing herself?
Yes, I would like to do attorney because she texted me an offer and I asked if I could talk to her.
Yeah.
Mr. Roel,
Yes, ma'am.
the question is, are you okay with her being removed?
Absolutely, yes.
Thank you.
Very, all right. Mr. Ms. Barron, let Ms. Green know that the motion to withdraw has been granted.
Okay, thank you very much, Judge.
Ms. Flores,
Yes.
appoint a new attorney to Mr. Garcia
Okay.
and recall him in weeks.
In 2 weeks?
4. Well, make it 2, yeah. Woman, new attorney, let them make contact.
Okay, October the 10th. Mr. Garcia, give me a call later this afternoon.
Can I get a phone number?
Yes, 210.
Hold on, let me get the pen. 210.
335.
Yes, ma'am.
2172.
2172. So I got to go to work. I won't be out till about 4 o'clock. Would you still be in?
Yeah, well, just call me.
Okay, I'm about to, so I can leave right now? Am I dismissed? Thank you, sir.
Just said.
You have a blessed evening.
Beck. Ms. Beck.
Judge, so I looked into this. Yes, Judge. So I looked into 687534, Mr. Perez's case. Looks like he was just appointed to that last month and there was some mix up and he wasn't notified that he was appointed on the misdemeanor. So he is in Guadalupe County. He's asking me to get a reset on that. So he can get working on it.
He's got an unindicted felony.
Yes, Judge.
John
is on that one too.
Is presenting him on the felony?
Yes, Judge, he is.
All right. Let's reset this for 45 days, see if we can't get this. What's going to happen with that felony? Linda?
5 days, November 1st.
All right, thank you, ma'am. I will let him know. May I be excused?
Ma'am.
Thank you. Y'all have a great morning.
You too.
Mr. Griner.
Good morning, Judge. On my case, Peter Antoine, I'm asking for a 30-day reset. There's still some more discovery, but I think it's going to resolve itself within that time frame.
How about giving me a case number for your client?
687415 on page 8, Judge.
Thank you,
There
Linda.
it is.
You're welcome.
He also has the following case.
One 5 and 416. There's reset for what, Linda?
30 days, 1024.
All right. There you are.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused from another court?
You're excused, sir.
Ross Rodriguez.
Hey, Linda.
Hi.
I'm here on Mark Cordero. I just need to confirm with Kenny.
How about give me a case number?
648158, page 3, Judge.
What's the case number?
648158, top of page 3, Judge. I already put him in a breakout room.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, Forrest.
Good morning, Linda. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
What have you got for us?
I'm here on Mary's case of Carla Calderon, case number 683370,
Page 6, Judge.
page 6.
Aren't we recalling 28 days?
Yes, it's a no file. Forrest, it's a no file, so we're gonna set this to October the 17th.
October 17th. Got it.
Okay, I'm gonna let the real attorneys work.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you,
Linda.
Judge.
You're welcome. Jessica Peck, what can I do? Here?
Yes, sir. I didn't hear my case get called.
Do you recall your number?
Oh, no, sir. I'm sorry.
Let's see if we can find it real quick. Linda found it.
I'm looking. 644565. That you're with Hector Garza, Miss Paget?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your case, actually, your case was reset with Mr. Garza. Although we were waiting for you to appear so we can reset it. So it's being reset to October the 14th.
Okay.
Okay. By then,
Okay.
Ms. Paget, we will be back in person, so you will need to be in the courtroom for
Okay.
docket call, okay?
Okay.
All right, 9 o'clock, okay?
Okay. On the 14th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will be there.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Am I good to log off or?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes.
This is Jorge Rodriguez. How long do I have to wait to confer with the state?
Who's asking?
Jorge Rodriguez.
What? Where is he on the list, Linda?
Last page of the docket.
I know, but
I'm sorry, what's the name?
Jorge Rodriguez, SID number 1082133.
you act on your own behalf, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
I will remind you of something.
Yes, Your Honor.
I've been last 49 years. There's an expression in the legal profession that says, he who presents himself as a fool for a client. That's, it's a funny way of saying it, but it is, you're putting yourself at a great disadvantage if you try to represent yourself against professional prosecutors.
Your Honor, I'm actually waiting for my court-appointed attorney.
Well, I thought you said you wanted to act on your own behalf today.
No, Your Honor. I wanted to confer with the state.
That if you confer with the state, you're acting on your own behalf because it's up to your lawyer for you. So
Okay.
I'm saying to you is wait till you get a lawyer and you're here to do the confer. It's a mistake, in my opinion.
Yes, Your Honor. I've been waiting to be appointed a court-appointed attorney.
All right. Now, Linda Flores will talk to you about, did you make an application for a court-appointed attorney?
I signed one the night that I got released from the Bexar County Jail.
Okay, at that point,
They should have appointed.
My last attorney transferred my case to the new case because he felt that the new attorney who didn't even exist yet was able to take care of both the cases.
Okay, so Mr. Rodriguez, if you can come back here to the back offices. I'll get you to fill out an application again. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to have you fill out an application.
It's okay. Thank you. I'll see you right now.
All right, and Julius Benton in the courtroom as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you also come to the back offices to fill out the application as well, please?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ross Rodriguez. Ross Rodriguez, attorney.
Right, he must be on a phone call, Judge. We have.
I'm right here, Judge.
There he is.
All right, what's going on?
I can't get the video to work, Judge. Well, Judge, I've conferred with the state, Your Honor.
Case number.
It's 648158, Judge.
Page 3, Judge.
Eight.
I'm trying to get the video to work, Judge. It's not working.
Judge, I just want to be clear that I had just spoke with Mr. Rodriguez. He has been asking for these videos for months. I have turned them over. I just let him know that if he could not get it to work, to please shoot me an email and I will have someone download them and leave them on the 4th floor window with a notice of additional discovery.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. So what do you want to do, Mr. Rodriguez?
Well, I'd like at least 30 days, Judge. There's 3 videos. I thought there was only one, but can you let me know that there's an additional 2 so I can look at all 3 videos?
You reset 30 days, Linda.
10/24.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, sir. You're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Brian,
Hey, good morning, Linda.
good morning.
Here on Miss Passmore. I don't know if she checked in with you or not.
No, she hasn't.
No, Judge. Okay, I will find out. I will find out where she's at, Judge. Get her checked in here with the court.
It's 665-461, page 4, Judge.
Page 4.
Alrighty. She has not answered.
Let me find out where she's at, Judge. I know she works overnight shifts, so she might have missed court this morning. So I will.
No, she's failure to appear, so get her to report. Meantime, are you going further on this or anything?
I've conferred. I got getting some mitigation classes done up front, which I believe she has. I'm just awaiting the certificates. And so as soon as I get in contact with her, Judge, I should be able to get a hold of those and forward them to the ADAs.
Well, let's get her to show up first, and then we'll do whatever we need to do. For right now, she's a failure to appear.
Yes, Judge.
Alrighty.
All right, I'll get on that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Holy. It is 10:38. Let's take a 12-minute break, Linda.
Okay. Raimundo Torres.
Yes, I'm here, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Torres, your case has been reset because I believe you have a felony pending, so it's reset to December 12th. Keep in touch with Mr. Martinez, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Linda, it's Dave Garza.
Hi,
Morning, I'm here in the courtroom.
okay.
I've got the Larry Herrera.
He FTA'd.
Yeah, I've been able to find him either,
Okay,
but I just want to let you know I did show up.
okay, all right.
All right,
And,
thank you.
in case you do, then, you
Yeah,
know. if
I'll
not,
try to find him, and if I do, I'll call you.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll be excused.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you're excused, Mr. Garza.
Thank you.
Hi, Gary.
Good morning, Linda. Sorry I'm so late.
It's okay. It's all righty. So
Welcome
you're
office.
here on 2 cases, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Jorge Aguilar, 676389. and Deepak Kunavarapu, 685532.
Okay, and did you want to confer? What did you want to do on these two cases?
Yes, please. Want to speak to the state for both of them, please, Ms. Linda.
Oh, okay, give me a second.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Yeah, you got the setting.
Because they were trying to just take them first.
Hi, Robert.
Hello, Linda. Hey, I've got a guy in your docket. It was one of Richard's clients that I got hired on, or Joe Rubio.
Yes,
We
sir.
still have pending felony dates. I just want to see if I could move these cases down the line. I don't show any settings yet.
No, Mr. Rubio did fail to appear.
Today?
Yes.
Okay, let me find the guy because he was supposed to be logged on.
Okay.
If I can get him to log on, do I need to log back on, or I can just have him do it?
No, if you get him to log on, then I'll call Earl and get a reset date for you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. This is Felix. I still have not been able to get a hold of my attorney, Matthew Finch.
Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna try to get in touch with him as well, okay?
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let's see. Daniel Van Duzer or Dowser?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay, so I called Judge Christian's office and I left her a voicemail message to see if her or Mr. Garcia would be logging on.
Yes.
I haven't heard back from either one.
I sent a message to her also.
Okay, so I'm gonna reset you 2 weeks, okay?
Okay.
10/10, October 10th. By then, we will be back in person, so you'll need to be in the courtroom for docket call, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
The excuse.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
Ms. Linda. My name is Deepak Kungorapai. I think I missed Mr. Gary Heiler. Yeah, I can see him.
Yeah,
Sorry.
he's here. He was gonna come first, so give us
Okay.
a little bit. Yes, Gary?
Hi, Linda. I've spoken to Mr. Delco. I have offers on both of those. If we could get a reset so that we could speak to our clients, that would be appreciated. Hopefully we can take care of one or both of them that way.
Okay, so on Jorge Aguilar, and then on. Oh, here you are. Okay, so is 3 weeks okay, or do you want 30 days?
30 days, please. I think I've got a bit of vacation in the middle of that, so that might be right in the middle of that 3 weeks, I think.
Is 10/24 good?
10/24, that'll work.
Okay, I'm gonna reset both of them to 10/24.
Thank you, Linda. Linda, is Judge on today?
Yeah, he is. He just took a little break though, but he's on.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Linda. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Mr.
And can you tell my
Mr. Gary.
Deepak, you can log off, Deepak. Log off, and I'll call you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hi, Miss Linda. This is Veronica McKay.
Yes, ma'am.
I have not been able to get a hold of Bob Hicks. I spoke to him yesterday.
Yeah, I know he was on.
Yeah, I saw
And I
that.
knew he was in another court. So let me reset you. I'm gonna give you
Can it be a Tuesday possibly?
Okay.
I work Mondays. I was able to switch my shift today, but it's kind of hard to get Mondays to switch. If it could be a Tuesday, I would be so appreciative.
Sure. How about 3 weeks, 10/18? That's a Tuesday.
10/18? Yes, ma'am. And it's in court, right?
Yes, we will be back in person. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 9 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, may I please be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. I hope you have a great morning.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Excuse me, Linda.
Yes. Who's
Would
calling?
it be possible? This is Felix
Okay.
Garcia.
Okay, Felix, I'm gonna reset you 3 weeks.
3 weeks. So can I have a date for that?
Yes, I'm gonna give it to you right now.
Okay,
October the
thank you.
17th, that's a Monday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in person. 9
In
o'clock.
person?
Yes, 9 o'clock. I'll need you in the courtroom.
All right, yes, ma'am. That's perfectly fine.
Okay.
All right, the 17th.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. May I
You're
be
welcome.
excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Linda, he's logging on right now. He thought it was tomorrow, not today, but I just talked to him.
Okay.
Okay, and then do you mind if I've got to go back to the 290th?
Okay, and how much of a reset do you want?
Well, the felony, I think is pretty old. I don't have a date on it. Like I said, it was one of Richard's cases.
Oh, okay. That's right. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me see if I have a date for the felony. Hold on. I have December 5th.
That's fine.
For the felony. So do you want to do like December the 9th? That would be a Friday.
Yeah, that'd be perfect. That'll at least have a better idea what they're doing over there.
Okay. All right.
All right, you should be logged on here in a second.
Okay.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Hi, Sergio.
Hey, good morning, Linda. I'm here on Rogelio Contreras. He's actually here in the courthouse with me in a room here, so he's right there. This was I think he did some plea paperwork already a couple of weeks ago, and we're just waiting for the file to be and information to be filed on it, so we could get this deal done.
Sergio, what was the cause number?
Give me 1 second, Kenny.
678-134.
Oh, thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
PWI with BAC.
We already have a file. Sergio.
Yeah, I could have swore I filed this one myself personally. Yes, I filed this one. It had to be filed twice because it was filed in March and then they lost it downstairs. And then it was filed again on September 6th.
Kenny, do you remember, or has there been paperwork filed on this one? Does anyone know for sure? Because I thought we did that already, but I'm not sure.
I wouldn't know. I literally just flew back into the state this morning.
Okay.
I don't know, but we can set it for a plea if you want. We're gonna come back in person, Sergio, next Monday.
Okay, can I talk to my client real quick?
Yes.
That way I get a date or something. Thank you.
Where are you, Rogelio?
He's right here with me.
Oh,
Linda.
he's very cute. Okay, you wanna just call me then and let me know when?
Yeah, I'll give you a call.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye. Hi, Brenda.
Hi.
Jesse Palacios,
Yes.
he or she FTA'd.
I see Kenny's back. Is he the lone ADA?
No, 88 Yanta's also here filling in.
Okay, because on my case, when I was here the last time, I conferred with Kyle Vance, and he didn't see it as impairing a public water system.
Okay, let's go to a breakout room and
Okay.
Yeah.
Brenda?
I don't know what's going on.
1 second, let me put Brenda in a breakout room.
Okay.
Hold on.
Wait.
Brenda,
Yes.
Shana Tova.
Thank you. Same to you, Judge. Thank you. Very nice. Okay.
All right, there you go.
May you be inscribed in the book of life for another year.
Exactly. I was gonna say that to you, that be inscribed in the book of life. In
That's
my
right.
case, you never.
Oh, Judge.
None of us ever know, really.
Well, very true.
That's true.
Miss Linda.
You put her out, Linda.
Yes, I did, sir. Yes.
I was wishing her a happy new year, because Jewish New Year started last night, sundown.
Oh. All right, let's see. Who was calling me? Yes, sir.
Me, Miss Linda Rubio. I just wanted to check in because I went through Zoom and then I had got a new lawyer instead
Yes,
of.
I understand because Mr. Languas has passed away and I understand that.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I already spoke with Mr. Mauer. We're resetting you to December 9th because of your felony case being set. I believe it's December the 5th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay. And
All right.
I was wondering, do I have to go for this one? When would be the next court date?
December the 9th.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Linda.
You're welcome.
Y'all have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye. Hello?
Linda, it's
Hold on.
Linda.
Yes, Judge.
Just make a final sweep, and those whose attorneys have not shown up, we'll reset them and make a note on attorney.
Okay, Judge.
Starting page 1. Rubio. Is Joe Rubio in?
Yes, he's the one I just talked to, Judge, with Mauer. It's been
Okay.
reset, felony pending.
Have we heard back from Carolyn Wentland?
Yes, we did, and I'm gonna be getting in contact with her for the motion to suppress that she wants to set on Crystal.
All right. Absolutely, because this thing's been reset 28 times.
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you give her a date?
No, she's gonna call me. So as soon as she calls me, I'm gonna set it.
Take a note. I don't want
Yeah.
her to pass the day without having a specific date.
No, I will be calling her today. Hopefully.
All right. 636802. Daniel Vaduzer. And Melissa Christian never showed up?
No, and I already gave him a reset for 2 weeks.
All right. A note on the file that Ms. Melissa Christian did not show up.
Yes, and I
Then
also
we
put on
have
here that I left a message.
6891, that's Christopher Culp. He never showed up.
No, sir.
All right, failure to appear.
Yes.
And it is 10:57. Excuse me, 63943. State versus Larry Abelardo Garza. Has he showed up yet?
Yes, he did show up, Judge, in the courtroom, and I did make him aware that his client did not appear.
That's a failure to appear on Mr. Larry Herrera. Six four four 721. State versus Raimundo Torres. And that's Louis Martinez. Have we ever heard from Louis?
Yes, and it's been reset, felony pending, Judge.
All right. You need to remind Louis a couple of times now, he has not made any kind of report prior to.
Yes, sir.
Six four eight 181 State versus Rhiannon Everett. Ryan Everett is present, but Leo Gonzalez, we ever hear him?
No, sir.
All right, reset Mr. Everett for 2 days.
For how long? 2 weeks?
Make it 2 weeks, yes.
Okay.
And
October the 10th.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Everett,
It's Miss Everett, Judge.
oh, pardon me. Ms. Everett, you're accused for 2 weeks. Try to get a hold of your attorney, let him know that they failed to show up today, and the court has noted that.
Okay. I will definitely do that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Am I free to go?
654-597 State versus Michael Robin. And it's Daniel Rodriguez. We hear from him.
No, sir.
All right. Recall this 2 weeks.
Mr. Robbins, you're reset to October the 10th.
Thank you.
Okay, you
Mr.
are.
Robbins, make an effort to contact your attorney. Let him know that the court is aware that he never showed up today. Nor did he abide by the rules. Let him know that he couldn't make it.
Yes, sir.
62872. This is Jesse Palacios,
Mhm.
and Brenda just showed up.
Yes.
What about Mr. Palacios?
No, sir. And I informed her that he hadn't shown up.
It is right now 11 a.m. Failure to appear. Then we have 66434, pardon me, 664344. State versus Jorge Patino. Mr. Patino showed up. Mr. Mayra, do we ever hear from him?
No, sir. And we reset that one as well.
Okay, reset that, and we are going to commence the contempt proceedings against Mr. Mayra. 665461 State versus Raquel Passmore. Ms. Passmore did not show up.
No.
And Brian Oriole is supposed to be here for Sean Brown.
He did, and I informed him about the client not showing.
All righty. On to page 5. Did Neil Kalpas show up on Rogelio Contreras?
Contreras. We're gonna
13.
4. We're
Seven-
going to reset
one,
that
three,
for a
four.
plea. Sergio's gonna get back with me on that one. But we're gonna set that one for a plea.
Somebody showed up for Kels.
Yes,
I did, Your Honor.
Sergio,
I don't know if you can hear me or not.
Who is here for him?
Sergio Ibarra.
Hey, Judge, I'm actually here in the courtroom. My apologies. Linda, would I be able to get into a breakout room with Kenny real quick on that one?
Yeah, hold on.
Did we get Gary Hillier here for Jay Norm?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Hillier came in. One of them was reset for a plea and he's going to talk to his client on the other one.
Both of them have been reset on Gary Hillier.
All right. On to page 6. What do we have? Patrick Montgomery, we got.
Is this like a
Yes, Judge.
is this a touch screen? Or
I have Roberto Bernal. He's in the
I might have
courtroom.
just messed up.
I'm still waiting to talk to a prosecutor about that case.
I apologize, Mr. Montgomery. I was there multiple times. I think you
No,
were.
I know it's not your fault, Kenny. It's I'm in another courtroom here, and I've tried to. I'm juggling.
Okay,
so
yeah,
many-
I'll jump
Pat
in.
Montgomery.
I think-
Hello, Pat
Sorry, Judge.
Montgomery. What is the case number you're referring to?
On page 6, it's case 6822290 and 6822291.
Is working? Or is that you doing that?
Yeah.
Yes, if you could.
And he's present in the courtroom, Your Honor, and I have not talked to Kenny. He and we tried. It's just I had juvenile court on another Zoom, and as you see, I'm in person in yet another courtroom.
So you're still going to confer, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And
All
on
right.
my other 2 cases that are on the docket, one of them on page 8, 687-947, the pretrial diversion application has been filed on the 4th floor. They have received it. They have the paper. And that case is only from like July, so it's not very old
We
anyway.
reset that for 30 days, right?
That's what I'd like to do, Your Honor. And
1024.
thank you, ma'am.
And
Linda's
the other,
all
the
over
third
it.
one?
And then the third one is on page 7. It's case 685755 and 30 more days. That's a case from late June. So it again is not very old if you'll just reset it for 30 days. The client was present and on Zoom both. She was on the 2 ways.
We can do the same date, 1024,
Thank you, Linda.
and then I'll put you in the breakout room.
And if you can stick me in a breakout room with Kenny, we'll talk about the oldest of the cases, Mr. Bernal on page 6.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, Oscar Salinas.
How are you doing, Judge?
How are you?
Good, good. I'm here on 654-597, Michael Robbins. I'm the prosecutor assigned.
Patient waiting. What is the case number?
654-597. Yes, Judge, I was in the 227th and an impact earlier and had to run back up here.
All right, we're showing recall on that for 2 weeks.
Okay.
October 10th, Oscar.
Okay, October 10th. Is that a pretrial setting or a trial setting?
It'll be a PTC.
Okay.
And by then, Oscar, we'll be back in person, okay?
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
Mhm.
I worked with Daniel Rodriguez on this.
Yes, he's
And
with
him and
us.
I conferred on the way. I saw him when I was on my way to impact court.
I'm talking about, the docket shows Daniel Rodriguez is the attorney for Michael Robbins.
Correct, Judge, and I'm the prosecutor on it. It's assigned to the Public Integrity and Cybercrime Unit.
Gotcha.
Mm.
Okey doke. Recall in 2 weeks.
Thank you.
Okey dokey. Michael, did you hear that?
Yes, sir.
All righty, you're excused then.
Thank
Back
you.
in- Your excuse, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, Brenda, what you got?
Okay, so on Jesse Palacios, I've been in contact with him and I sent him the Zoom invitation, but I don't know why he's not on today. But at any rate, I'll get him on before the end of the week. I know you usually give a few days, right?
Be kind of, yeah, we maybe enough to give me the case number.
Oh, all right. 662872.
Page 4, Judge, top.
Okay. He's a failure to appear, so you got 1 week to produce him.
Okay, and so that means by next Monday or by Friday?
I'd say Monday.
Okay, so, but
We can do
I
it.
have an offer from the state that if he pays $300, they're going to dismiss the case. So hopefully I can get him to do that and then everything will go away.
So, all righty.
Okay. Okay. Don't forget to eat your apples and honey.
Apples, and you know what? I had some last night.
Okay.
Wife
yeah.
says, why you eat apples, honey? It's because it's a Jewish New Year.
Rosh Hashanah. Yeah, for
Okay.
a sweet life.
Yes. Take care. Have a great day.
All
You
right.
got what? It's 2 days, isn't it?
Yes.
2-day celebration?
Yes.
Right.
I mean, it's not like a huge party.
Yeah, no, but it's a significant.
Yes, it's
the
when
beginning
they
of the high
roll
holy day,
they roll the Torah all the way back to the beginning.
but it's also the beginning of the high holy days.
Correct. Beginning of the year.
This big one is Yom Kippur, huh?
Yes.
That's what you get to repent.
Yeah, that's not a fun holiday at all. You're supposed to fast.
Yeah, you're supposed to fast and
And that's not fun.
have a great day.
Okay, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.
May I address the court?
Yes, sir.
On my last case, the one that I just conferred about is Roberto Bernal on page 6, 682290.
Yes,
The
sir.
state has made an obstruction offer. I fear, Judge, that between two different district courts and me constantly being bumped on my Zooms, and I'm supposed to pick a jury at 1 o'clock or 1:30 here where I am. I just fear that no matter how hard we try, we won't get it done today, and they'll leave the offer open until the next setting. So if you could pass this case. Now, this case is from April, so I know it's not quite as young as the other two cases you agreed to pass, but it's still not, quite elderly.
So what do you want to do?
Just pass it for a plea for the next setting, the same date that you, Linda gave me on Marvina Minor.
Let's do it. It's 4 weeks from today.
Do we do
Thank you. You're very, yes, ma'am.
1024?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do the plea 1024 like the other two.
You're very kind. Thank you very much. I apologize for jumping in and out, but I just have one of those mornings. You guys all take care of yourselves.
You too.
Got to.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, on page 6. Uval Peña,
FTA.
6201. And Catherine Valenzuela. We never heard from Kathy?
No, sir.
Okay. We called that in 2 weeks.
It's-
It's
But
a
he's
fa-
an FTA judge.
Right. It's easier to appear. Okay, dokie. On to page 7. Oh, wait a minute. Jonathan Watkins, did he ever
No, on the bottom of 6, no, and Joshua Barrera is a failure to appear.
and it is 11/11, failure to appear. On 7. Fernando Ramos, did he ever show up?
No, sir, he didn't.
No contact, no nada.
Mm-mm.
All right. Juan Celaya is Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Cristobal Ramirez, you're excused, but you need to come back in 2 weeks.
En 2 semanas.
2 semanas, señor Ramírez.
El
Regrese, se presenta en vivo, físicamente, semanas ahí en la corte. ¿Entendido?
Ok.
El 10 de octubre.
10 de octubre.
Sí,
Así
a
es.
las 9.
Ok, está bien, muchas gracias.
Ese se presentó, pero su abogado nunca se presentó. Vamos a ver qué le hace. Ok, está libre.
Ok, está bien, muchas gracias.
Rudy Vela.
Ok, gracias.
De nada. And Brian Kimbrough never showed, right?
No, and that was an FTA for Mr. Vela.
Then we have, did Hillier ever show up?
Yes, he did, and we've reset him.
What about Bob Hicks? Did he ever show up?
He was, and I know he had to go to another court.
All right. Bartolome, did he ever show up?
For Brandon Juarez, no, and that one is an FTA too, Judge.
Okie dokie. It's 11 to 13. On to page 8. All the people showed up
Yes.
except Matthew Finch. Did he ever show up?
No, sir.
All
And
right.
I told him 3 weeks.
Recall 3 weeks.
Mhm.
I think that takes care of page 8.
Yes.
Then page 9. 691646. Alejandro de Leon. Did
That
he ever
was-
show?
No, but it's a no file.
It's a no file, so we'll recall it 30 days.
Okay.
Or do we want to do more? 45?
We could do 45 if you want.
Do 45. There's a no file. Give them a little time to set it up.
Okay.
And Gail Calderola, did we ever hear from her?
No, we didn't. She normally does a lot of jail court.
Yeah, you need to get a hold of her.
Yeah, I will. I'll get in touch with her.
Julius Benton, did you get his application?
Yes, I have it here. So once we get off, I will take care of him and Jorge Rodriguez. I'll take care of both of them.
What are you gonna take care of them?
Well, I am gonna assign them court-appointed attorneys and reset them.
Was it Jorge Rodriguez or Roger Rodriguez?
No, Jorge.